Let's look at a powerful tool for your business, the lead capture form. To get started, open your dashboard, select a collection, and head over to Collection Settings. Scroll down until you see the lead capture option. Click on it to open the Setup section. By default, lead capture is turned off. To use it for this collection, simply toggle the switch to Enable. Since lead capture requires a credit exchange, click Purchase and Enable. Just a heads up, the necessary credits will be deducted from your account at this point. Once enabled, you'll see that email is a standard requirement. From here, you can fully customize your form. Add custom fields like first name, last name, or age. You can choose the input type, like text or number, and decide if a field is required or optional. Once your form looks exactly how you want it, click Save to update your settings. Now, let's see the guest experience. When a guest searches for their photos, they'll be greeted by your custom form. They must fill out all required fields to proceed. Once they click Continue, their details are registered and they can instantly view their photos. To see your results, go back to the Lead Capture section in your collection settings. Click on the Leads tab. Here, all the data you've collected is organized and ready for your next marketing campaign. And that's it.